can trap you. Then why did the disciples fail? Their minds were full, like a volcano. They needed release. Yes. The mind cannot stay silent easily. Then how to go beyond mind? With total effort, not half-hearted. Total effort. As if your life depends on it. Like a life and death situation? Exactly. Only then thinking stops. Can you explain? When your life is at stake, thoughts disappear. Only action remains. Yes. Pure energy, no thinking. Then what is the secret? Intensity. Total involvement. Not casual practice? No. Lukewarm effort will not help. Then meditation needs urgency? Yes. A burning desire for truth. And then? The mind stops, and silence appears.